Greater control is the key to the success for your business. It's about ensuring that you have the right insight into how your business is performing, good visibility into how resources are being utilized, and define who gets to make business-critical decisions on your behalf. Now, first and foremost, Microsoft Dynamics NAV looks very much like Microsoft Office, making it easier to learn, use, and master. When you start up, you get into the Role Center, providing you with the overview and insight you need in your role. Here we are logged in as the president of a small or medium-sized business. In this role, it is important to have an overview both of sales and finance performance. The charts can be changed dependent on my focus, or I can create a new chart myself as an end user. With this chart, I'm not only seeing my current performance of my organization right now, but I'm also seeing how I'm doing compared to budget. This insight turns data into knowledge, and knowledge into decisions. Another part that is important for small and medium-sized businesses is the cash flow forecast. Can I pay my employees' salary? Can I jump on an opportunity that arises? In this case, I can see that I have a steady growth, but we can look into how these data were created. I can choose what kind of entities I want to have shown in my forecast. I can combine a specific forecast with documents and transactions that are already in the system. Since this is just a forecast, I can add and modify data. For example, this is a customer invoice. I might not expect to get the full payment, so I can go in and make a modification directly on these lines. Satisfied with the content, I can go ahead and register this forecast, and as I do that, the chart is now updated and I can take necessary action. The forecast not only shows the accumulated cash, but also provides me with insight into what kind of action has impact on my cash flow. Here I can see what is impacting my cash flow. This view enables me to drill into a particular document type. Any line in this forecast can be changed. I can move these payments in the direction I want, later to ensure a positive cash flow, or earlier to benefit from a possible discount. So these are some of the examples of how we can get a great overview and hence control of what's going on in my organization today. As a business owner, I might just want the overview rather than the specifics. As an example, sales orders are traditionally shown as lists, but it is also possible to go in and look at them as charts to get that overview that is needed to get the big picture. Microsoft Dynamics NAV is a business solution from Microsoft, and you can use other Microsoft products to view and analyze your data. Tools you know and are already familiar with, for example, Microsoft Office Excel. With Power Pivot for Microsoft Excel, you have very comprehensive ways to look at your data. Actually, you can enhance your data with data from the internet to provide new insight. In Microsoft Office Excel, I have taken my sales history, and Power Pivot can give me more insight. However, I can get a better understanding of how and what customer segments are buying my goods by adding data from the Windows Azure Data Market or other sources. In this case, I've taken the World Development Indicators that offers me insight into income segmentation from the countries I'm selling to. This could help me understand why some items sell better in some countries compared to others. Now I've combined the data into Power Pivot, and here I can see my customers in Europe and North America and what they are buying. But I can also look into the data on a per-item basis and see where we are selling what. I put the item in as a slicer. This means that I can see what countries I am selling each item in and compare it with the income level. Great overview and insight gained from enhancing the data that I get from Microsoft Dynamics NAV with data available from the internet. With Microsoft Dynamics NAV, we have focused a lot on how you can get greater control of your business and provide you with the insight and visibility to make business-critical decisions. Microsoft Dynamics NAV delivers the control you need to help you improve your business and support your growth.